Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Azitech Info. I want to show you how to connect to our PC to TV. At first, turn on your TV, and in the second, you need to HDMI cable this type. In the third, connect it to HDMI cable to TV and PC. Then connect it to your PC. As you can see guys, it's a very simple. You can play the videos full screen, and you can show the play of the PUBG on the screen of TV. It's a very simple. And if you have a party and in your family, you can use this. You can play the videos for full screen. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. See you next guys. Peace out.